Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you don't miss out on any of our latest reviews and tech updates. Today, we have something truly special for you, the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the latest and greatest from the Apple lineup. This phone is an absolute powerhouse, packed with top-notch features and a design that's truly ahead of its time. First off, let's talk about the 6.7 display. It's absolutely stunning. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows, playing the latest games, or simply browsing the web, this screen will blow you away with its clarity and vibrant colors. And with 5G capabilities, you can be sure that you'll always be connected at lightning-fast speeds. But it's not just the display that's impressive under the hood. The A17 Pro Bionic Chip is an absolute beast. It's lightning fast, so you can breeze through any task without a hitch. And with iOS 17, you get the best and most secure operating system in the market, keeping your data safe and your phone running smoothly. Now, let's talk about the storage options. With 256 GB, 512 GB, or a whopping 1 TB of ROM, you'll never have to worry about running out of space for all your photos, videos, and apps. This phone is built to keep up with your busy lifestyle, and then some. And the best part? This isn't just any iPhone 15 Pro Max, it's in good condition and it's an original used phone. That means you can get all these top-tier features at a price that won't break the bank. It's a win-win situation. So, why should you consider getting your hands on the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max? Well, simply put, it's a game changer. It's a phone that's designed to keep up with your fast-paced life, to keep you connected, and to bring you the best that technology has to offer. And the best part? You can get it right now by clicking the link in the description. Don't miss out on this opportunity to upgrade your tech game. Get the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max and experience the future of smartphones today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next review.